Ekse votha ekse Hasimo Kezile ekse 1520 bafethu. Sitane Davidson Mole bafethu. No MMC wethu unomadlozi inkosi balana to remove illegal advertising signs lana emall. Yebo, shaputi. Chaputi ba remove lama sign lawa illegal yabo. You pay for this kind of things ukuthi zenzeke lana emphakathini. So this is what they're doing. They're trying to remove everything in this scene.
I want to say to the community of Ekurhuleni, last year around August, we would have visited different areas where we would have checked compliance in regards to the outdoor advertisement. Because as the city, we've got bylaws that are guiding us, but also we've got policies that are guiding us. After we would have put in the stickers and we called on those that are affected to come forward to the city so that we assist each other for them to be compliant and apply for their reports to be compliant. But some of the people that would have brought forward, they didn't listen to the city. They thought that we were playing. Today we are here to tell them, to show them that the bylaws of the city of Ekurhuleni must be respected. Today we are here to remove these billboards that are here illegally. So as a city of Ekurhuleni, but a city that needs each and everyone to be compliant with our bylaws. I want to say, even to hawkers and everyone, compliance is the order of the day in the city of Ekurhuleni. Right now? No. EMPD says we must check their backup, the manpower. Now, what I'm saying, what is wrong with the pavement was meant for people to walk. It's not safe for the community to bangabela imotos nabatshayeli. Yours, like here, we are instead of here. Then they use those so the Waynians are closing down on the street for the community. And then employed like this. I-shelter angeke sisuse mara i-shelter soyixolela namhlanje up until baba-complain benze umasipala ba-apply because kamasipala sinalento esibiza ngama-bylaw. Ama-bylaw wethu athi mawufaka into efana uya-advertise uya-aplya kamasipala, kamasipala bese sinika lento abayibiza ngelisi. Bese leyo list leyo uncedela ukuthi uvileleke kamasipala, ubhadalela nama-rates and taxes, ubhadalela yonke le nto. Now mangakwenzi lokho kuba nenkinga yokuthi siyeza hayi kube khona kuba nenkinga yokuthi thina seza sibonishe ukuthi khipha le nto yakho because awubhadali wena kamasipala. You make money when ibhizinisi wenza imali but you can't go and respect ama-bylaws kamasipala. So sizoyeka umthunzi okwamanje ambanti masingathola ukuthi abobani amabhosi sizokhuluma nabo because the structure naso si-illegal. Mara sizosuza konke lokho kubhalwe sifuna mangani nje ukuthi siyenza kanjani. Bhadalela lento focus wethu, ama-traders wethu now they are respecting the law. Abasagcwelanga la mara nabo abanye ngiyababona laba vele banenkani bafuna ukucalela abagcwale la and they must remove and bathole indawo e-right for them ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi bathengise. Siyabavumela bathengise bandindlela e-right because makungaba nengozi batshayiswe la bazothi u-government abayenzenini mara yibo abayenza bona.
Ubomsiba fethu uNomadlozi Nkosi uzo-remove ama-illegal advertising boards yabo. Apparently all these boards unabona lana in most cases they are not government approved. So kuzo clean up abafethu. Anything engafuneki iyahamba bafowethu. Right.
Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi banyebeza bazomfisela lezi zinto la. Why ningekho right? Why ningekho right?
Usasokola ngendlela ngelanga.
Nisokola ngani baba?
Ngelanga.
Nisokola ngelanga. But niyazi mos la ngikhona ukuthi indawo irongo. So nina wayimele nizosebenzela la. Angithi niyazi ukuthi la nikhona akumelanga nisebenzele khona i-sidewalk le ndawo le. Eyokuthi kamba abantu le.
Ukuthi kule inkinga bazange basitshela from the start. Manje sesineminyaka singena kule ndawo.
Yayibona into yazi into engekho ibe right yini ungakhulumi iqiniso. Yabona njengoba ngila namhlanje angicala ukuza siye seza la sanicela ukuthi abantu wenza ama-permit compliant navuma. It was last year early na last of last year seza. So that's why ngithi into wrong ungakhulumi iqiniso. Namanje nifuna ukuhlota la izolo bebazile banisusisa. Namhlanje nabuya futhi nifuna ukuhlota. It means anhloniphi ini umthetho. Umasipala nomasipala unendlela asebenza ngayo. Kunalento esibiza ngama-bylaws. Ama-bylaws awavumi ukuthi nithengiselele la. Senzela ne-safety yenu. I-rent kunama-taxi. Dangalana, anything can happen to you. Now nizoblame umasipala ukuthi akanincedi nganithi. Mara namhlanje ibuyile izolobe banisusa. Namhlanje yabuya nizofaka la.
Mali umama mawuthi kuzini uzomvusa ama-payment mama uthi uthengisa kuphi
nawo ama-payment kodwa akashongo ukuthi abasenzeli ngoba
Mamelani ke, mamelani. Izindawo zokuthengisela nazi lapha. Kunama-stall and ngivizithile lapha ngibone 6 or 7 stalls ezivaliwe. Why ningafuni ukuya lapha kunama-stalls? Nibona lapha ukuthi kubude abantu angeke basuke beze lapha. Ike wayo apply. Nibuya kamasipala, i-office lami phela lila.
okay
Nayo i-office lami. Leli la yilo leli lakamasipala, yilo leli dila ngalezi. Nangazi nganibona nizile. Explainele imaqala nasiyaqala nokukuthola. Serious aningazi. Uyangazi baba ungazi wena ngibhekisa.
Okay. Lo MMC ne? Unomadlu. Sebenza la. This what's gonna happen from next week. I-LED iyeza la. Izolungisa yonke le mess lapha kulama stores. Nizowathola ama stores. As long une permit, unamaphepha right. Permit yakho bathi what permit yakho ikhona, then uzothola store. If ayikho permit, I'm sorry. So that's one we'll discuss it next week. Sizoza so explain it. Right? Ngicela singalwi. Nje akho MMC ukuthi susane tozeni lana. Let's do it that way. You understand that? Because akho safe la. Iyasuka imoto igijima if you can chase it. Who to blame? The government, angisho. So please, let's comply.
Ningamane nithole i-base lapho kunalapha embasusile nabo bebaku pavement. Kunezindawo ngapha emaceleni ningangena khona up until they fix your issue economic development. Mara ukuthi nithengisele la is not safe even for yourself.
Lapha ema-stores sicela ukuthi isibeko kunabantu ababona ama-stores
I want. I that one.
No, we
omunye ukustores akana-stores
so bakhiphe.
Njengoba ngisho kathi next week. Angilazelanga abantu because besithi nama-operations.
but besingathanda ukuthi manje ngabe nizoza njengakusasa kuba khona umuntu ozayo mshanje
Sibonisho ukuthi siyeza.
no naqiniseka
Yenzani into right. Not say it. Now is right. Yes.
igama lami Amari video le yakira. Mai ushasi kwa kutoka.
So, okay, outdoor advertising number 4 for today. I didn't even say we have warned people that they must come forward in order for them to be compliant. They didn't listen to the city. Today, again, was saying to those that don't comply and respect the bylaws of the city. We're gonna do what we're doing here. The city needs to be respected. The bylaws of the city of Ekurhuleni must be respected. So today we're embarking on the program of removing all the outdoor advertising that are non-compliant to the city's bylaws. So we're here as a to make sure that we take out this wrong outdoor advertising to be so that we put them where they belong. And people must be able to come forward, come to the city and respect the city. Shut up.
Down.
Niks mlungu wako. I-situation bafethu eDaveyton Mall Taxi-Rank bafethu basisa mali illegal advertising signs yabo. So abantu abaphinzela izinto lezi bafethu sisejayivini.
Ushaba yini mnumzane ngama-interviews?
Ngishapha so saka-explainile uNomadlozi yabo.
Yonke into.
Ya saka-explainile inkinga.
Any fresh ile milani yakho? Fresh banana yakho. Ngilambe. Mina ngifuna ukuhamba. Akhanda mara kushuka umsika.
My name is Nomadlozi Nkosi. I'm standing to one of the digital advertisements. Today we're embarking on removing all the illegal outdoor advertising boards. Like we said in the morning when we started around the Daveyton, Esquereni, we said we're gonna embark on this program. This board, we've just switched it off because also these ones are not complying with the bylaws of the city. And compliance in the city of Ekurhuleni is our daily living thing. We want to encourage all our community members and business people that they must come forward to the city to comply. We won't allow anyone to take our space and advertise on our space without following all the processes of the city. So this one we've just switched it off. The owners of this outdoor advertisement need to come forward to the city of Ekurhuleni. We're giving this person 7 days to come forward. If he doesn't respond, we're gonna come here and remove this billboard. Now we're saying to everyone, the city of Ekurhuleni wants everyone to be compliant. You see the workers here have respected the city. We need everyone to respect the city. Shut up.